third or 1/3 pattern, and this is how it looks. And a simple explanation of it will be 1/3, 2/3, and a full length. This one is 24 inches long, this one is 16, this one is 8. So if you start like that, then the pattern you get, you know, these lines here, every line is 1/3 of a tile. And then this is how it looks. So this is the 1/3. And from here, it looks like this. That's the third pattern. Distance from here to here is supposed to be 1/3 of a tile. So if this is 24, this is 8.